Have you ever witnessed a car soaring through the skies? Would you like to take a ride on this bike that features a specially designed front with an aperture allowing the smooth passage of oncoming air currents? Have you ever come across a scooter that effortlessly folds itself into a compact rolling ring? Today's impressive collection of cool gadgets showcases an array of captivating vehicles that are sure to ignite your desire for an exhilarating ride. Arosno E-trace. Arosno, the innovative French company, has achieved a remarkable feat by seamlessly blending the functionalities of a snowmobile and a bicycle into a singular, cutting-edge vehicle. The E-trace is composed of two key elements. The front skis are responsible for facilitating smooth sliding, while the track platform at the rear takes charge of propelling and maneuvering the vehicle. The straightforward mechanism of the E-trace is activated through pedaling, providing the user with control. Additionally, the electric motor can lend assistance to the user for added convenience and ease. The unit boasts a relatively compact design, weighing a mere 99 pounds, while offering sturdy support for weights of up to 265 pounds. With a maximum speed limit of 16 miles per hour, the E-trace ensures safe and efficient travel. Furthermore, the battery offers an impressive range of 28 miles, allowing for extended journeys without the need for frequent recharging. Veelo. The device in question has the remarkable capability to transform any conventional vehicle into an electric one, revolutionizing the way we approach transportation. Veelo is an extraordinary motor-driven wheel equipped with a convenient handlebar, offering a unique and versatile solution for transportation needs. This ingenious gadget seamlessly takes on the role of a power unit while in motion, allowing the user the freedom to select their preferred vehicle for an enhanced transportation experience. Veelo seamlessly integrates with roller skates, skateboards, or longboards, making it compatible with a diverse range of wheeled platforms for an adaptable and exhilarating ride. The prototype of Veelo incorporates a low-power battery, granting it a range of approximately 5 to 6 miles. However, the forthcoming retail version is set to feature a significantly more powerful battery, with developers confidently assuring a final range of no less than 60 miles. Drezina. At first glance, this personal scooter may appear ordinary, but a closer examination reveals its extraordinary features and capabilities. The Drezina, the need to manually push off the ground with your foot to propel forward, becomes a thing of the past. Its innovative design incorporates a mechanical system that revolutionizes the way you move effortlessly and efficiently. Drezina's foot platform has a curved, swinging design that allows the wheels to turn as you rock the foot platform from side to side. This special design makes it easy and effortless for the vehicle to drive forward. An intriguing feature of this scooter is its spacious white deck, which accommodates the possibility of two individuals riding together, adding a social and shared experience to the overall ride. Furthermore, Drezina offers an added advantage by effectively training and engaging the leg muscles to a greater extent compared to conventional kick scooters, resulting in improved muscular strength and endurance. The starting price for Drezina is set at a minimum of $350, providing an accessible and affordable option for those interested in this innovative personal scooter. City Transformer. This vehicle has been specifically engineered to elevate the level of comfort during city commuting. The City Transformer, a transformable electric car, is an innovative creation that combines the development expertise of Israel with the meticulous manufacturing prowess of Germany. In city mode, the vehicle undergoes a remarkable transformation, reducing its width to a mere 3 feet. This exceptional feature unlocks a wide array of parking possibilities, offering the vehicle an entirely fresh range of parking options. The car is propelled by a dynamic duo of electric motors, boasting a combined output of 20 horsepower, ensuring a robust and efficient powertrain. The City Transformer showcases impressive capabilities as it can effortlessly reach speeds of up to 56 miles per hour while offering a remarkable range of 112 miles on a single charge. The vehicle is currently available for purchase, starting at a price of $14,650. Splach Transformer. The developers proudly refer to their creation as the most versatile electric scooter in the world. The Splach Transformer presents you with a multitude of options simultaneously, eliminating the need for you to decide between an off-road or urban vehicle. The integrated rear-wheel electric motor, boasting 960 watts, empowers you to accelerate effortlessly up to a remarkable speed of 24 miles per hour. With an acceleration time ranging between 4 and 6 seconds, the scooter effortlessly conquers inclines of up to 16 degrees. The equipped with suspension and disc brakes on both wheels. This enables you to navigate off-road terrain and effortlessly conquer minor obstacles during your ride. For urban travel, it utilizes sleek, smooth wheels, while for off-road adventures, it employs wheels with a distinctive tread pattern, ensuring optimal performance in each respective setting. The Splach Transformer is available for pre-order at a price of $1,200. WMC 250 EV. This is a British electric motorcycle from White Motorcycle Concepts, with its initial tests being carried out just a few weeks ago. The model boasts an unconventional silhouette that not only enhances its dynamics, but also incorporates a front opening, allowing the passage of oncoming air currents and resulting in a remarkable 69% reduction in the aerodynamic drag coefficient. While it is premature to determine the exact production specifications, the vehicle is anticipated to be equipped with a robust 340 horsepower engine and a remarkable top speed of 250 miles per hour. The plan for next year is to have the model surpass the existing motorcycle speed record in Britain. Sarver. The concept of a compact, electric vehicle designed for urban environments is not a novel idea. The Dutch company Sarver has also showcased its unique perspective. This three-wheeler has the capacity to accommodate 2 individuals. According to the developers, it offers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. It can achieve a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour and has a range of 62 miles. For approximately $11,700, you can acquire this exceptional offering. Unlocking a world of enhanced features is as simple as investing an additional $1,100. With this investment, the Sport or Comfort package becomes accessible, offering an enticing array of upgrades, including an audio system, convenient smartphone holders, stylish seat covers, and pristine floor mats. Ekooter. This vehicle, which originates from 2021, continues to captivate enthusiasts as its crowdfunding campaign perseveres. The Ekooter by the British company Eco is an innovative electric skateboard that effortlessly folds with just a few swift motions. It seamlessly transforms in a mere 7 seconds, making it incredibly convenient to store and transport. It effortlessly attains a top speed of 20 miles per hour, allowing for swift and exhilarating rides. A single battery charge provides an impressive range of 62 miles, ensuring ample distance coverage for extended journeys. The manufacturer highlights the Ekooter's remarkable uphill capabilities, boasting an impressive incline tolerance of up to 18 degrees. The starting price for this exceptional Ekooter is set at a reasonable $700. AirCar. The name of this vehicle aptly aligns with its inherent essence. The AirCar is a vehicle with the remarkable ability to elevate itself into the skies. Stefan Klein, hailing from Slovakia, is the brilliant mind behind its creation. In the past year, it successfully embarked on its inaugural flight, and ever since, the vehicle has accumulated over 40 hours of flight time. While on the ground, it relies on the propulsion of a BMW gasoline engine. Activating the flight mode merely requires a little over 2 minutes. The AirCar exhibits the remarkable capability of soaring at altitudes reaching up to 8,200 feet, while also attaining speeds of up to 118 miles per hour.